Hello and welcome in another do-it-yourself project where I'm gonna change my transmission fluid. What I'm gonna need is gonna be some empty container to catch the old fluid, new fluid. Make sure you're gonna get the right fluid for your car. Funnel, don't forget a funnel. You're gonna need a ratchet. Right here. Ooh. I'm not gonna wait for that, it's probably not gonna get any more than that. Oh shit, it's sealed. Alright, it seems like it's just right. Maybe a bit more. Might be alright. And you have to go through that process. First original fluid, which is actually not that bad. This is the second, which is really not that bad, and this is a new one. Alright, it's much nicer. I would like to have something like that. You see the difference? First, second and clean one. It's actually, the middle one is indeed more purple than red. You can see the difference, I can see. Hello little creature, go where? Somewhere else. Alright, and that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you're gonna see me next time doing transmission fluid, doing power steering fluid.